Find the drawing file and double-click it to open it in AutoCAD. From the Insert menu, choose Create Block. Give it a name, Isometric NW. Set a base point at the bottom corner of the drawing. Select all of the lines. A window select works well. Uncheck Scale Uniformly. When you click OK, the block will be created. Hover over it to see that now all of the lines are one block. Let's scale it into a plan oblique. Select the block and choose the icon for Insert Recent Blocks. In the panel, you can set a scale factor for the y-axis. Set it to be 1.4121. Place the block. You now have a plan oblique. Click your plan oblique and explode it. Then go to the Insert menu and choose Right Block. Give it a name of Plan Oblique NW. Select all the lines in the plan oblique and then create the block and write it out and save it to the right folder. In Revit, make sure that you have your isometric view open. So your copy that's been named Plan Oblique NW. In the project browser, select it, right-click, and click Duplicate. Name it Plan Oblique NW and open the Plan Oblique. Go to the Insert menu and choose the Import CAD command. Choose your Plan Oblique and open it. Place it carefully on your isometric view. Choose the block in the isometric view, and from the spectacle icon, choose Isolate Element. You now have a plan oblique in Revit. In the next step, you can compose this on a printable sheet with other views.